Okay, this is Ian's Bugeye, ready for action with a new Quaife type limited slip differential, which definitely reduces inside wheel spin and allows you to put more rubber on the ground. You don't want to hit that puddle and get Ian's car wet, but in slow speed turns in particular, when you get on the gas, instead of simply spinning the wheel, as with any good modern traction control, you are driving with that wheel, keeping the rubber connected to the road, more traction, safer, faster, putting the power where you need it. And if you were autocrossing a Bugeye, for example, you'd be losing a lot of time if you didn't have a limited slip diff. Now the welded in and locked differentials are even better at keeping the inside wheel from spinning, but the Quaife type, you probably give up a little bit in terms of it not spinning, but it's much quieter and much more user-friendly for the owner. I mean, the clutch type or the ratchet types can be really loud, so we prefer the Quaife type. It's a little bit less dramatic in its locking, but it's much more user-friendly. And so this is a nice unit and a very nice upgrade that anybody can add to their Sprite from 1958 right through 1980. So I can keep both wheels driving. A much nicer performance ride. So there you have it. Ian's new limited slip differential here from Bugeye, guys.